Hello everybody, this is Ohio Railfan Productions here, and this catch was a bit of an unusual catch. Now, if you didn't know already, my house is in front of the Fort Wayne line, basically, so I can see the trains from my house. It's not right next to it, but I can still see the Fort Wayne trains from my house. So my grandma woke me up, and she said, there's two Norfolk Southern locomotives, and the lead one is an Operation Lifesaver. And she said also the engineer got out, and I was like, whoa, did something happen? I was kind of thinking they wasn't an emergency for something. And I went out, and to my surprise, there was an SD80MAC and the 25-year OLS. So I get some clothes on, we go down, and I take some pictures, and about a half an hour later, they leave. And something to note, it wasn't a normal signal stop because the engineer restarted the SD80MAC and AC44C6M. I could hear them starting to start up. I could hear the bell, that bell when they're starting them up. So they did restart those. And that's pretty much everything that I wanted to say, because this is not a really normal catch. Trains usually don't stop in my front yard, basically. So thanks for listening, and enjoy the video.